would take 2 sticks of butter and cook it on low. Now, depending on how much time you have, will determine how strong this butter will be. Now, since we're using 1 gram, will your house smell like weed? Yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that it won't. And then if you're not looking for your house to smell like weed, we can talk about tinctures and other processes, but let's just focus here on the butter because your girl's coming over, right? Or does it need to be your girl. Someone's coming over and you want to infuse for them. And you've got 1 gram, 192 milligrams. And 2 sticks of butter, put it in your pan, wait for it to get melted. Now, if you're using regular butter, you will have these white solids on top. This is milk. Just leave it in there. I'll show you how to make ghee later. If you want to make ghee, quite literally, you would just scrape off all the milk solids as they come up.